Hi everyone, my name is Marloes and today we're going to make a beautiful and simple macrame plant hanger with a gorgeous cross knot. For this project you'll need 3mm 3-ply cords, mine are from Nook Theory, a small wooden ring, a small pot, S-hooks, scissors and measuring tape. Cut 8 cords with 370 centimeters of length, fold them in half and pull them through your ring. We are now going to make a gathering knot to attach them. Take 50 centimeters of white cord, form a loop at the bottom and leave the top part sticking out. Now wrap it around the other cords about 8 times. At the end, you pull the cord through the loop and tuck on the top cord to create a small knot and hide it behind the part that you just wrapped. Cut off the excess bits. Grab 4 cords that are closely aligned together and create your first square knot. Create the shape of a 4 with your outer left cord. Place the outer right cord in front of it and pull it through the 4 shape from the back to the front to create your first half of a square knot. We will now repeat it the other way around by creating the shape of a 4 with our outer right cord, placing the outer left cord in front of it and pulling it through the 4 shape from the back to the front to create a full square knot. I've now attached 2 extra S-hooks to start working in the purple cord. You will need 4 purple cords, each 250 centimeters long. Place it behind the 2 middle white cords and attach them to the S-hooks for easy access. We will now make another square knot with our white cords. I've learned this beautiful cross knot from the talented Macrame with IKEA. You can find a link to her Instagram profile in the description of this video. Take your purple cords, cross them over the square knot you just created and tuck them behind the outer 2 white cords and attach them back to the S-hooks. We're now going to make another square knot with our white cords. Gently tuck on the purple cords to tighten the cross knots. To make sure there is also a cross knot at the back of this section, we will now cross the purple cords at the back before pulling them in front of the 2 outer white cords. Make another square knot with the white cords. The back of your work should look like this. Form another cross with your purple cords and tuck them behind the outer 2 white cords before attaching them back to the S-hooks. Make another square knot with the white cords. Cross your purple cords at the back before you pull them in front of the outer 2 white cords and attach them back to the S-hooks. Make another square knot with the white cords. Take your purple cords and form another cross before you tuck them behind the white cords and attach them back to the S-hooks. Form another square knot with your white cords. We are going to repeat this until we have 13 purple cross knots. I'm going to show you one more time how to create this knot by using the S-hooks, and then I'm going to show you a faster way so you can speed up the rest of this pattern. To work in the purple cords, we will still use the S-hooks one more time and we'll create another square knot with our white cords. Take your purple cords, cross them in front of the square knot you just made, Drop them and take your outer 2 white cords to form another square knot. Gently tuck on the purple cords to tighten the cross knot. Cross the purple cords at the back, pull them in front of the 2 outer white cords, drop them and form another square knot. I'm now going to move on to show you how to connect all the sections together. Skip about 6 centimeters. Align the 3 inner cords of 2 sections so the purple ones are in the middle. Take the outer 2 white cords and make a square knot. It should now look like this. Make sure the sections aren't twisted before you connect them together. Repeat this step 4 times until all sections are connected. Fit your pot once all sections are connected. Make sure that the sections come out at the top of the pot and the square knot somewhat in the middle. Measure how much length it takes before you can make your second gathering knot. For my small 9 cm pot, it was about 8 centimeters. Fit your pot one more time to make sure it all looks okay. Cut off the excess cords at the bottom and make sure all cords are aligned so the purple cords are shown in the middle. And there you go, you made yourself a super cute and easy macrame plant hanger. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. If you want to learn more about getting started with macrame and where to buy your supplies, make sure to check out my website macrameforbeginners.com. If you have questions and you would like to connect with 60,000 other beginners, I would love to invite you to join our Macrame for Beginners Facebook group. You can also find me on Instagram and Pinterest. If you like this tutorial, make sure to give my video a like and subscribe to my channel for more fun projects. All information for this pattern, like measurements and other handy links, can be found in the description of this video. Happy knotting!